No hanging about, straight into the women's 53. Rare occasionally, Italy out of the medals. Haven't said that too often over these 3 days. Sure to be plenty more to come. Here is the start line, start list for the women's 53 and the fastest qualifier, Farida Osman, gold medalist in the 50 fly. Willing to double up in the 100, the 53. There she is, Farida Osman. Egypt's first ever medalist at a World Championships. Won bronze at last year's 50 metres butterfly in Budapest. It's the fastest qualifier. She is in lane 4, but she's got some decent opposition here. Lidl Munoz, the 100 free silver medalist, there she is, lane 5. Teodora Jaku in lane 3. 200 gold medalist Maria Vottel in lane 2. They're underway, and Osman already looks to be in front. Made a fantastic start. Also going well, Marie Vottel in lane 2. But Osman's going to take some pegging back already. It's Osman in lane 4 with the advantage. They're coming at her on the far side though. Munoz going well in lane 5, but it looks like gold for Egypt again. Gold for Farida Osman. Pretty comfortable in the end. I think Munoz got second. 24.83, just 2/10 outside her own African record. That's a really good swim from Osman, and her second gold of these games. She also got a silver in the 100 butterfly. She is one of the finest sprinters in world swimming and proving it yet again today. Gold in the 50 fly yesterday and gold in the 50 freestyle today. New Mediterranean Games record as well. Just hearing over the tannoy for Farida Osman. Dominant performance from the Egyptian, 23 years old, born in Indianapolis in the United States, but based in Cairo. There, confirmation. Osman with the gold in 24.83. Lidl Munoz with the silver, 25.2, and